So I'm from Bohol. And pag uli na ako, sugatan ko og dagang parcel. So we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have 8 parcels. So let's unpouch this. So first we have I think it's from Wed by Lina. I don't know. This is the Filipiniana din. Modern Filipiniana. First. It looks nice. So let's try it on. Talagang Pilipina. Yeah. First, the Filipiniana. Again, magklase pa ko karon. Second, it's Shop with Bonita. I know this. This is the Himalayan salt. This is the Bonita Himalayan pink salt. Next, it's from Rifo AMX and Shop. Ito ang order ni Ate Erica. Pang workout. Push. Yeah. Next, we have from Denim Lucky. That's happening. Yeah, it's a trouser. And I'm in the size medium. I'm not extra small anymore. Or small. Sa mani bugat. Yeah, the original yung the moisturizer. I love moisturizer from the Originals. I just love it. I ordered for the Haya Lucera, and what's the other one? Ay, yung pang night brightening moisturizer. So here, 4. Next, we have from Chic Optical Eyewear. So this is the anti-rad because I'm always using laptop now because nag-eskwela man ko og pastoral. Kaya magsakit naman ako ang mata. Kaya sige po atubang og laptop. So, I bought an anti-radiation glasses. I hope it works. Glasses. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the glasses. And this is the case. And na siya pang trap. Let me try it on. Uy, mura naman taan ni Uan. Lula. It's okay. Okay ba? Okay na ba? Let's put that here. Next. This is the wipes. Okay, if magbinagsa kong palit, mas mahal. So, daghano na lang daan. From Clean Pant. I think this is 10 ka buok. 10 ka wipes. So, yeah. I also have, I like this one. It smells better, but because it's papaya, the brand is Baby Co. And the last one is Tweaker Philippines. I think this is the raincoat. Takan man kong raincoat. Dala ni Papa sa gawas, but ambot. Yan, nakalimot ko asan ako nabutang. So I thought magkuan ako mag-teach kung nag-buy na ko daan ani. So para pag kuan ako tudlo niya magsikig ulan. Daan ako ipang covers. I also bought the cover for shoes. For the footwear. And this is the raincoat in black. There's a lot of choices. Like ang model dito. Oh, baga siya. Fairness. This is one set. Pants and upper. So yeah, that's all.